Come test drive this 2013 Honda CR-V. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include power windows, a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.